Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mandeep, and in today's video, I am going to show you something really awesome. And this is a chat bot. It is named as ChatGPT. This is released by OpenAPI few weeks back, and I just tried it out, and it gave me a really awesome results. You can ask general questions to it, and it will answer you. And the capabilities, other capabilities, this ChatGPT or chatbot have is like it can remember what user said earlier in the conversation. It can even write code for you in any of the programming languages. I tried my hands on it and I found really awesome results about the coding. So this the results it has returned to me forced me to think that whether this is the end of the programming jobs. And before having my view on this part, let me show you the how this chat gpt works. So first of all, let us start with the simple example. I am saying that explain quantum computing in simple terms. So once you will enter this and hit an send button, and then it will basically understand what the user is asking, and then it will give me answer accordingly. So you can see that this is returning me the response, and this is saying that quantum computing is a type of computing that uses the principle of quantum mechanics to perform calculation and operations on data. So it has given me the sim example of explanation of quantum computing in simple terms. Now let us try something different and little bit more difficult. Something like, let's say, if I want to learn how to write a for loop in Java. So I'm saying that how to write a for loop in Java. So let's wait how this chatbot responds to. So you can see that now it has giving me the answer to write the for loop in Java. To write the for loop in Java, you can use the following syntax, and the great explanation it has given to me, and it has given me a sample code as well. And I just click here, copy the code, and then my code is ready, and I can copy and paste it anywhere, and I am good to go. So this is really good. And let's say if I try something more difficult, let's say I want to see that how do I make an HTTP request in JavaScript. So let's see how it responds. So here you can see that it is giving me the answer. To make an HTTP request, you can use this object, and for this, so this is the explanation. This is the code, and the code is even given with the comments as well, inside comment in the code. And this is the complete explanation how it actually works. So this is really awesome, guys. And one more last thing that I'm going to try here for you is the more difficult one is, let's say, how I can create an linear regression model in machine learning. So it is more something more difficult. I have tried one question on Java. I have tried another question on JavaScript. Now I'm going to try one question on Python as well, and let's see how it. So here you can see that now it is writing the code for me how I can create a linear regression model in machine learning. And this is really awesome. It has even written the comment inside the code as well, like how to create the model, how to train the model, how to make the prediction, and all those details. So, and after that, it has given me great explanation how it has done few things. So this is really awesome. And all with all these results I have tried, it has forced me to think that whether this is the end of the programming job. I would say no. And the reason for it is because it is really good in answering the general problems. Let's say how I can create a model, how I can write a for loop, how I can make an HTTP request in JavaScript, and how I can make a connection to a database. So all those things, it is really good in those things. If I ask something specific about my domain, or about, let's say, my company profile, I mean the work kind of I'm doing in my current role, it won't be able to answer, or either it will give a more generic answer which is kind of not relevant to me. So as per me, this could be the start, but going forward, definitely after some time the new version of it will come, and after that, so maybe after 10 years from now we can have more advanced thing in this domain, and at that point of time we can think of losing the job in programming. But as of now, for at least next 10 years, I think we are safe. So you guys can check this video and try your hands on this chat.openai.com. I will leave the link of this in the description box as well. You can try, and you can give comments how you feel about this, whether it is going to replace our programming jobs or not. So that's all for this video, guys. See you in the next one.